Hey everyone, welcome back to Use the Bitcoin, your go-to channel for the freshest and most reliable crypto news and analysis. Today, I'm going to share with you my process for analyzing coins to trade. Currently, I'm trading WorldCoin on the 15-minute time frame, and I've entered a short position. The primary reason I decided to short WorldCoin is that it has already reached a significant resistance level. If you were to plot a trend line, you'd observe that the price is trending downward, reinforcing my decision to go short. Additionally, another factor influencing my short position is that the price has fallen below the 50 MA on the 15-minute chart. This suggests that the price could continue to drop. Moreover, a descending triangle is forming, further strengthening my belief that WorldCoin is likely to experience short-term downward movement. The next step in my process was to identify the appropriate stop-loss levels. After placing your order, setting a stop-loss should be a top priority to protect your capital in case the trade doesn't go as planned. I've placed my stop-loss in this area because it aligns with a cluster of resistances, providing a logical point of protection. Next, we need to identify our take-profit levels. One technique I use for identifying targets is searching for fair value gaps. A fair value gap refers to a significant gap between 3 consecutive candles, which is an area where price typically revisits to fill those imbalanced orders. I've placed my take-profit levels within this fair value gap as I expect the price to retrace and fill it. Now that we've identified both our support and resistance levels, all that's left to do is wait and see if our trading bias materializes. To secure our profits, no matter what happens in the market, I will now move our stop-loss to this level. By doing this, if the price continues to decline, we'll keep earning as the trade moves in our favor. However, if the price retraces back to this point, we'll still lock in a small profit, ensuring we don't leave empty-handed. This way, we're safeguarding our gains while allowing the trade to play out, no matter which direction the market takes. It's an essential risk management step to protect our capital while maximizing potential returns. As you can see, the price went back up and triggered our stop-loss order. This means we're now out of the trade, and we've secured a decent profit, even though we only used a small amount of capital. This is why managing your stop-loss is crucial. It allows us to protect gains and limit risks. As you may have noticed, my trading process is quite simple. I focus on identifying patterns, fair value gaps, and analyzing price action to make informed decisions. I hope you found this quick market analysis helpful. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, don't forget to visit our website, utbcrypto.com, for the latest and freshest crypto news. Until next time, have a great day and happy trading.